What's up, guys? Fabiano Amorim here, and I would like to invite you all to join my session at SQL Saturday Porto. It will be awesome to be at Porto with you guys. Again, my name is Fabiano Amorim, and I work actually in a Brazilian company called Senhor Nimbus or Sir Nimbus, and I'm a SQL Server MVP from Brazil, and it will be very nice to speak with you guys on SQL Server and on performance tuning. That's definitely something I'm doing from a while, and I will be very glad to share with you some very nice tips on optimization and on SQL Server. So again, speaking a little bit about me, as I said, I'm a SQL Server MVP from Brazil, and I have a printed book from Simple Talk on this subject, on query tuning, and well, again, here is my contacts, my blog, my email, so feel free to drop me an email if you have any questions. And let's talk a little bit about the event, the pre-con, and well, we will spend a day speaking on SQL Server, specifically on optimization. So I have a lot of trainings about this here in Brazil, so we have a lot of material to cover 1 week, or in some cases 2 weeks of training, only talking about optimization. That's a very huge area on SQL, so we can't spend a week only talking about statistics and indexes. So what I think it will be a good training, 1 day training, and I will try to cover some things I think are very important to understand on performance tuning, and I will try to give you some quick tips on where to fix execution plan, for instance, how to understand why an index is so important. It's so much better to scan or to seek an index compared to table scan, for instance. So I will try to start the training talking about this word optimization. So I will try to give you a brief on what is an execution plan, why it's so important to know about execution plans, where to look except from the execution plan, because you can have a problem that's not related to SQL, and for instance, it's a CPU pressure, and then of course SQL will show you this problem, but it's not really related to SQL. It's CPU pressure, for instance, or a memory pressure, or a very common disk pressure. So I will try in this first topic to speak a little bit about this, and then we will go specifically to SQL and then start speaking about statistics. That's something I think it's very, very important, even to a DBA and even to the developer, to understand how this is so important to SQL Server and to run faster queries. So I will give you some samples of this is a problem related to statistics, and this is how you can solve this problem. So I will try to work like this. So this is one of the problems we have with indexes, or with lookups, or with statistics, and this is the alternatives we have to fix these problems. So after statistics, we will speak about indexes. Again, I will try to do an overview on statistics and indexes, and then because again, indexes are it's a very huge topic. So I will try to give you an overview or on how this works internally and then why this is so important. And then we will speak on things that I really like and things that I'm speaking for a while. That is execution plan operators or iterators. So I will try to speak as many I can because of the time, but I will definitely try to focus on 3 of them that I think it's very common, and we can do a lot of interesting things to help them to make it better. That's index seek, so some internal things like batch sort or pre-fetch, some things a few people speak about it, but it's very important to know, and you will definitely have a problem if you are not using batch sort, for instance. So what is it? I will try to explain. And then the most common easy thing to do in an execution plan to make it better is to create a covered index. It means an index that it have all the columns of your query. So I will try to speak a little bit about read lookup and key lookup, what is the difference, how it works, why it's so important, and etc. And I will try to speak with you a little bit about sort. Again, there is some internal things like a memory grant and sort on TempDB that's important to know when it happens and why it's so bad to happen. So if we have time, I will try to cover more things. I have at least 15 or more than 10 definitely operators and material to cover these operators. So, well, if you want to spend a day understanding more on optimization and understanding why this operator, specifically operator, is so important, how it works internally, that's definitely the pre-con you have to do, you have to join us. So, see you there. Again, I will go back to my email, so feel free to drop me an email if you want more details. See you at Porto. Até mais, galera.